2005 Chevy Avalanche 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it, still got factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single, then 3-inch pipe, and we put a FLOWMASTER 40 series, 3-inch to 2.5, and then we did 2.5 tailpipes, mandrel bent, all the way back, right there, and over the rear axle there. 40 series into 3.5-inch angle cut tips there and there. We cut everything else off. That's how you do these. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. FLOWMASTER 40. If you guys want it, the link will be in the description. Sound decibels. Man, with the FLOWMASTER 40, they usually don't go over 100. So anytime you want to do them in California, that's what you guys got to do to stay legal. Put a 40 series and up, which I hate. Too quiet, but everybody likes it differently. That side. There it is, what it looks like from the side. Absolutely beautiful. Let you guys hear on the inside. FLOWMASTER 40 series on an Avalanche Z71. I hope you guys like it. Okay. Not too bad. What do you guys think? Tell us in the comments.